In this lesson we'll be using Illustrator to create a package. So first thing you do, open up Illustrator, then go to Print Document. And we're going to go ahead and name this. So we'll go ahead and name it Box 1. And make sure the size is a letter, which is 8.5 by 11. And it should appear there. So make sure that you have the Layer tab selected by going to the Windows command, and then go to File, and we're going to go to Place. Now Mr. Smith has created a box template from a scanned box, and we're going to go ahead and place that into the document. And you'll notice it goes onto the layer, the default layer, which we'll go ahead and name Box 1. And then let's go ahead and lock it. That way it won't move on us. And press OK. Now in the layer window, let's go ahead and say New. And in the layer options, we'll title this Outline. And say OK. And you can see that the box template is locked. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll go to, we'll go ahead and save it. Make sure we save it into our file as an Adobe Illustrator file. And this should go into your drive. And if you notice, it creates a PDF compatible file, and we'll get into that later. And so look at some of the controls you have. You have a zoom tab, so we can zoom in on the box. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and start outlining with the line segment tool, and just go ahead and click on the corner and just drag it and follow the outline. And as you notice here, you can anchor the next line on the old line, and if you hold the shift key down, it goes straight down. Do then is on the zoom command, we'll go in and we'll look at the intersection of these two lines. So we zoomed in here and we'll join them. Alright? So go ahead and join those 2 points. You'll highlight them, you'll right click, and you'll say join as a corner. And now if you select the point, they're one. And essentially you're going to do this for the entire outline of the box. Alright, so you can use the scroll function. And we'll use the line segment tool and go to the anchor. And we'll get as close as we can here. And start where you left off. Make sure that you see that little green anchor. Go down. Okay. So now that we have a lines here, let's go right now and go ahead and right click and select join. So then we want to go ahead and select the 2 points on the lines at the anchor point, right click and select join as a corner. Same thing. And then you'll notice it's one solid piece. And then what we can do now is, on the line segment tool, instead of using a straight line, we can use an arc. So you'll see the arc tool. And same thing, we'll select the anchor from the last one and just come down. Don't worry if it is going the wrong direction. and then use the second arrow down, and you'll notice that there are little points here to control. This is called a vertex. By right-clicking and selecting Join, and you can see now you can move this and you can edit it as one line. And it is important that they are joined. And zoom out by hitting the zoom and selecting the Alt, or you can go down on the view window and just zoom out, or fit Alt window. And then you will be doing this for the entire box, so you essentially want to take your time and go ahead and grab the line segment tool and make sure it's anchored, and then just go around the outside of the box. And as you go, continue to join each point. And then you'll notice you should be able to select the entire segment that you've created, and it should be one piece. And then go ahead and save your work, and you've completed lesson 1.